Hello, I'm Dr. Heather Moore, owner of Total Performance Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to show you some ways that you can massage your lower back. Massaging your lower back is not like massaging your neck. You're actually able to do it with your hands, or you can use an apparatus in order to do so. The main thing you want to make sure of when you're massaging your lower back is that you are relaxed. It's very difficult when you're sitting up to massage your lower back, but most people find that they're in that position when they wind up getting pain. They're sitting at their desk at work. So while it's not an advised position, it's one that, if it needs to be, then, go ahead and do it. The best position is if you are sitting up and you find yourself in your office chair, putting your hand on your desk and leaning forward and putting the weight on your hand, putting the weight through your upper body. And that's just going to allow that upper back to relax. You don't want to necessarily have a chair like this and then lean forward. All you're doing at that point is working your lower back, and you're causing the muscles that you're trying to massage, you're actually causing them to work. So you are defeating the purpose and actually making things much worse. So one of the things you can do, now if you have a chair with a back on it that you can slide down, you can also relax the back that way. So you want to take, and this is a BC bar, you can use a BC bar, Farrah bar, any type of apparatus to go and just put it on your back, nice and easy. You're just going to go up and down. Now I recommend things that have spikes like the BC bar because it will get into the muscles. What you want to do is feel where the trigger points are. Feel where there's pain. So as you go up and down your back, you want to feel where that sore spot is. You want to go all the way down onto your glutes. When you find a sore spot, you want to go ahead and stop and hold it on there for about 30 seconds and then keep going nice and easy. You want to stay away from the spine, but you want to go to the other side. You want to go to both sides. Go as high up as you can. Again, you want to make sure that you're going all the way down into the glutes and all the way up as far as your arms will reach. You can do this several times throughout the day, 5-10 minutes. This will cause you to have some relaxation on the knots that you're building up while you're sitting at your desk. Another way you can do it is simply to use your hands. Now again, when you're rubbing your back, you don't just want to kind of place your hand back there and start rubbing. You want to actually target the tissue. You want to use your fingers to get into the muscle, and you want to find some sore spots. Along the hip is a really good spot to look for them. Along the spine, not on the spine, but on either side of the spine is a good spot to look for trigger points or knots. So you want to work your way up and down along the spine, across the hip, trying to look for some of those trigger points. When you find them, you're going to stay on there for about 15 seconds. Push as hard as you can tolerate, and then move on to the next one. Just simply putting your hands on your back and rubbing them, while it may feel good for the second or two that you're doing it, doesn't actually cause any change. So you're going to be in the same position that you were once your hands are off your back. So you want to make sure that you're providing some effective treatment while you're massaging your lower back. If you have any questions, call us at 215-997-9898 or visit us on the web at www.totalperformancept.com.